Clean up quick, boy.
On an island out in the sea,